Too many excretory features. Of course, you have your kidneys. Okay, well, yeah, your kidneys,
Right.
just like in the human.
All these are starred, so they're both.
They would,
renal medulla.
Right.
yeah, which, and we have
Yeah,
the,
I'm going to identify the renal pyramid, sure.
well, you should be able to, not on here, though.
No, that's what he's saying.
Right, so we have the model for that. So our kidneys,
We got that part.
don't confuse your ureter with your urethra. And here, this is broken, but this is our nice female, ooh, look at this, urogenital system. So here we have an ovary at the top of the uterine horn. There used to be another uterine horn. This may be part of it, but it's kind of busted up. So this is our good example. And bladder. So this ureter is coming down from the
They're much smaller.
kidney, going
the
into the
bladder.
bladder, the tube that comes out of the bladder, urethra. Yes. Okay. And what's this? Fat. Right. I don't know what else to tell you about this lady.
How about the male?
Okay, you want to do the male? But really, most of the reproductive system stuff
Gonna
will
be
be
on-
by way of models, but
Oh.
but I can, since I'm suited up here again,
Thank you.
the penis is really inside of that. Okay, should we make it stick out? Ooh, for film, there's the penis
Oh, wait a minute.
inside of the foreskin. Yeah. Yeah, it is. It's teeny tiny. And what I did here to prepare this was I cut down the skin, which is full of hair, and flapped it back, and then actually isolated the pubis there. Okay, so here we have spermatic cord with the epididymis inside it, which is coming out. Yes, and there are two of them. Yep. See, 1, 2 cords coming from. I shouldn't say going to. I should say coming from the testes. And I exposed one of the testes here. Where did it go? Sorry, cat. All right, here is one testes exposed.
Oh, wow.
So there you go. Clearly inside of the tunic. This is called a tunic. You don't have to know that. So sperm coming out of the epididymis, running along the back, and then up through here, up, passing right by the ureter, going by the bladder, down, and eventually joining up with the urethra at the level of the prostate, and then it's all urethra coming out, tube going through. Oh, and then the inguinal canal.
Yeah,
The inguinal
right.
canal is where the spermatic cord.
Where is it?
Well, we don't have a canal here anymore because I cut it away. I cut away bone,
Okay.
a lot of tissue, but you can see it on this model.
Oh.
So here's the bone that the cord's going over. And then, if we want to, let's see, can I do this? Maybe, can somebody else grab yank that off there. All right. So here we have the bladder joining up with the beginning of the urethra going through the prostate, and then urethra coming out through the penis.
Great. Thank you very much.
That was awesome. Thank you.
Seriously, it's great.
You know your stuff.
And you're going to put them on
Oh,
YouTube?
yeah.
Yes.